Hello everyone. Here in this video, let us discuss the type 3 question. That is, tricky questions which involve this formula. As we all are aware of this formula, we've been learning it from our childhood. It is speed is equals to distance by time. Yes, in boats and streams, this is the most important formula and it's almost involved in many of the questions of boats and streams. Let us first read the question. Speed of a boat in standing water is 9 kilometers per hour and speed of the stream is 1.5 kilometers per hour. A man rows to a place at a distance of 105 kilometers and comes back to the starting point. The total time taken by him is what? Now, what they have given us here is speed of boat in standing water is this, and speed of stream, and they have also given us a distance, like the total distance, and they're asking us the total time. Now, let us first write what is given. As we have denoted it earlier that speed of boat in standing water as u, I have directly written that u is 9 kilometers per hour and speed of stream is v, so I'm directly writing it as 1.5. Now, let us find the upstream and downstream. Formulas for upstream, as we've discussed earlier, it is u minus v, and downstream, this means they are in the same direction, so u plus v. Yeah. Now let us find upstream, and upstream is also denoted as b and downstream as a. Now a is 9 plus 1.5, that is u plus v, and b is 9 minus 1.5. This is u and this is v. Now a is 10.5, b is 7.5. We know that the total distance is 105. Now we know the distance, speed and time are related as speed is equals to distance by time. We know the total distance. Speed can be found by adding these two and time is to be found. Now, so to find t, s comes here, so d by s. The total distance is 105 divided by speeds are these two. Now adding these two is 10.5 plus 7.5, which is equal to the total time. So t will be 105 divided by 10.5 plus 105 divided by 7.5, which is equal to 10 plus 40. That is 24 hours. And this is the answer. Now, coming to the second question, let us understand this question. A man rows to a place 48 kilometers distance and back in 14 hours. He finds that he can row 4 kilometers with the stream and in the same time 3 kilometers against the stream. The rate of the stream is what? Now we should find the rate of the stream. Let us assume that he can row 4 kilometers in some x hours. So now let us find, so here they have given us the distance and this distance is with the stream. With the stream means that the boat and the stream are in the same direction. So it is downstream. So downstream distance is given as 4. In the same time, 3 kilometers against the stream. Against the stream means the boat and the stream are in the opposite direction. So it is upstream. So 3 upstream. Yeah. So now speed is equals to distance by time. We have assumed the distance to be in x. So downstream speed is 4 divided by, that is the distance divided by time. Time is x as we have assumed. And upstream speed is again distance by time, but here the distance is 3 and the time we have assumed is x. Now we've got the downstream speed and upstream speed. We also know the complete distance which it has traveled, and we also know the complete time of what they took. So now we know the distance, we know the speed, and we know the time. Let us relate it using speed is equals to distance by time. So 48 is the distance divided by, this is the speed, two speeds, downstream plus upstream, and this is equals to the time. This came from T is equals to D by S. Exchange these two terms. On solving this, we find the value of x. So on solving this further, the value of x will be 1 by 2. Now, we've assumed that the downstream speed is 4 by x. Now, downstream speed is 4 divided by 1 by 2, that is 8. And upstream speed is 3 divided by 1 by 2, that is x, is 6. Now, we've got downstream speed and upstream speed. Now, we've got the direct formula for rate of the stream. Rate of the stream is half of a minus b. As we've seen in the earlier videos, downstream speed is denoted by the letter A and upstream as B. So let us substitute the values of A and B. Half of A is 8 and this is 6. So half of 2, that is 1 kilometer per hour. This is the rate of the stream. So do practice as many questions as possible to understand the concept thoroughly.